Spectrum has streamlined its online cancellation process, allowing you to end your Xumo service without calling. First, log into your Spectrum account via spectrum.net or the Spectrum app using your username and password. Then navigate to the Account or Manage Services tab and select TV or streaming options. Look for Xumo, possibly listed under Included Apps or Add-ons, and choose it. Finally, follow the prompts to confirm your cancellation. You may need to provide a reason. An email or in-app notification will confirm the cancellation, effective immediately or at the end of your billing cycle. Remember, Spectrum now uses AI chatbots to guide you, making the process even faster, often under 5 minutes. The key is utilizing these self-service tools to bypass phone support. When canceling Spectrum Xumo, be aware that if it's part of a bundled package or contract, you might face early termination fees. Always review your agreement to understand these costs before proceeding. Additionally, check for hidden dependencies. For example, Xumo might be required for certain DVR features, so canceling could affect other services. Online cancellations are increasingly common, with most telecom services expected to move fully online in the coming years. Spectrum is integrating Xumo more closely with its 5G and home Wi-Fi services, making account management more streamlined. Looking ahead, the future may bring fully automated cancellations using blockchain for secure and instant verifications. Watch out for potential phishing scams targeting cancellation portals. Ensure you have two-factor authentication enabled for added security. If you're offered a retention offer during the process, make sure there's a clear option to opt out and proceed with the cancellation.